Guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Now on my channel we talk all about how to become financially independent, work online, and all about beginner side hustles that you guys can try right now. If this all sounds like something you guys want to learn, then make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel, as that is exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. So guys, probably clicked this video because you want to know how you can get paid to simply type, right? As simple and as easy as that. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make a full-time income online simply by typing. Literally so easy, anyone could do it. Let's get to the video.
All right, guys. So for our first typing job, all I want you guys to do is just type in dailytranscription.com/careers. Now, when you get to dailytranscription/careers, you're going to come onto this site right here. So what the hell is this site is what you're probably thinking. Well, this is all about transcribing. So transcribing is exactly what it sounds like. It's all about translating script or really just writing text, right? So this is that daily transcription job you have been looking for. Now, what does this actually entail? Well, transcribing can be anything from changing audio text to typed text, captioning on videos, or just typing up corporate documents, right? Does this sound like something you can do? Well, then you are on the right page because you are going to learn how you can make money just from typing. So, how this works is that when you join Daily Transcription, you actually get to create your own schedule. You get paid weekly, whereas most sites actually pay you bi-weekly or even monthly. And they actually have higher rates than their competitors, which are Rev, Transcribe Me, Transcription Puppy, Scribe, and many more. So in this video, we will actually be talking about Rev and Scribe. If you guys want to check that out, then wait until the end of the video as we will be looking through all of them. Now, what's amazing about Daily Transcription is that they actually offer you guys training. So maybe you're not that confident of a transcriber and you need a little bit of a helping hand. Well, that is exactly what Daily Transcription does. So let's say you're new and you want that training, you want someone to show you the ropes, then Daily Transcription is for you. Now, while they don't guarantee a specific amount of work per day, their top transcriptionists can make anything from $350 to $950 per week, which is amazing. So what kind of roles are actually available for transcriptionists, right? So you do have a transcriptionist, which, as you said, changing from audio to typed text. You can be a captioner, which is writing captions on videos, or you can be a Spanish transcriptionist. So if you know other languages, this can be very lucrative for you. So who are they looking for? Well, if you're a stay-at-home mother or father, a student, part-time teachers, writers, or anyone in the academic field who just wants extra money or to supplement their income, then this is perfect for you. What they are also looking for is, let's say you're quite detailed oriented person, you pay great attention to detail, they're going to love you in this role and you'll quickly climb up that ladder to earn even more money. So what they're also looking for are independent workers, so people who can meet strict deadlines. So if you guys know you can do this, then guys, that you should apply. So how to get started? All you're going to do is just click the position that you want to apply to on the right side of this page, and then you will be expected to pass a skills assessment test as well as an actual transcription test. Now, this sounds really complicated, but it's not, right? All they're going to do is just test your skill level. And in fact, all typing jobs require this, right? They don't just want to hire anyone. They want to make sure that the people that they hire are going to help them get the results and help them to please their clients, right? Because guys, this is a business. When you're in business, you need to do a good job so that everybody gets paid. Right, so once you sign up for this job, they will actually send you the test. Once you pass the test, then of course you can actually get paid with them, which is pretty amazing. Okay, so now for our second transcription job where you literally get paid to type, guys. You're going to love this one. All you need to do is go onto happyscribe.com and then /transcription jobs. Now this should take you over to this website here. So you just see that they actually have transcription jobs from home, and here you can actually use this company if you're from the US, the UK, Spain, France, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and actually a lot more. And what I love about this is that you actually get paid quite a bit of money. So you actually get paid around 450 euros per month, and then you also get paid about 3,000 euros per month if you actually have the top monthly pay here. So you can see Happy Scribe is actually used by many different companies. So the BBC, Forbes, Spotify, all of your favorite guys. So you know that this is actually a trusted source. So how does it work? Well, just like most subscription jobs, you actually do have to do an assessment test. Now, during this assessment test, all you're going to do is complete the questionnaire, and then they will tell you whether or not you've been successful. And then after that, you select a transcription. So all you do is just tell them what type of transcription you want to do, and then once you do that, you actually get paid bi-weekly, and this is via bank transfer in your currency on a bi-weekly basis. Guys, if that sounds amazing, then this is the exact website for you. So yeah, these are all the benefits that they have. So they actually use a lot of helpful tools and software just to make your business and day-to-day doings more streamlined and more easier to do. As you can see, there's literally just 3 steps. You sign up, take a skills check, and then of course they review your questions. Now I know that some of you guys always worry, about where you can work from, and on this channel we talk about all about remote positions and freelance positions, and here this is actually 100% remote and freelance position. So if this is of interest to you guys, then all I want you to do is to just hit that apply button. Once you actually hit that apply button, all you do is fill out your details, just like we spoke about, and of course apply the language that you want to do. So for the English ones, actually the applications are currently closed, but they do have loads of other different ones. Otherwise, other than that, just make sure that you do save this video so that you guys check up on it on a month-to-month basis to see if other jobs do come available. But if you do see your language, do make sure that you do actually sign up and you do that assessment test. Now the assessment test is actually not that difficult. All you have to do is show them that you are actually really good at typing, and if you clicked on this video, the chances are you're probably really good at typing. Alright guys, now let's move on to our second job. Okay, so now we are going to look at our next site, and if you have been looking for transcription jobs for a long time, then this should be no surprise for you guys. Okay, so this is rev.com. Now Rev is actually known to do loads of transcription jobs in different places of the world. South Africa is a huge one, then you also have England, US, all of the main ones. So all you're going to do is just go onto rev.com as we have here, and as you can see, they actually have different types of services. They have audio and video transcription, English closed captions, and of course global translated subtitles. So if you speak another language, this is going to be amazing. They're really a reputable company. As you can see, they have 750,000 happy users. So if you guys are looking for a job for a reputable company, then this is the one that you need. So they also actually do captions for videos, which I think is really cool, as I love watching social media and I love watching videos. So you can actually just have a job where you just watch videos and you just type up what they say. So that is pretty cool. So what you're going to do is to actually get started with this. It's like you want to become a freelancer. So a freelancer basically means that you get to work on your own terms. So Rev currently has 70,000 freelancers, and they get paid to either caption, transcribe, or subtitle content. Now, the amazing part of this, just like I always say, is that this is 100% remote. So you can actually work anywhere, and you can choose the jobs that interests you. So let's click on become a freelancer. So once you actually get onto the freelancer page. As you can see here, because I'm currently based in Indonesia, they are not currently accepting applications from my location, which is fine. I do travel a lot, so I'm not too worried about that. But they do have their freelancer jobs let you work from anywhere. So you can earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling. And the amazing thing is that you actually get a flexible work schedule. So you can work at any time that you want, whether you want to work in the evening, in the morning, on the weekends, whatever fits your schedule. So if you are a work from home mom, then this should benefit you a lot. So yeah, they have hundreds of jobs, so you don't actually have to do the same thing every single day. And of course, this site actually pays via PayPal, so they have weekly payouts via PayPal. And Rev is actually quite dependable. I hate sites that won't pay you for over a week. I think it's a huge waste of time, but Rev actually pays you on time and is super dependable. So next up, you know what type of job. So yeah, like I said, you have a transcriptionist and you also have a captioner. So you do have those choices to choose from. And yeah, just like the last one, all you do is take a free quiz to demonstrate your English skills and grammar skills. You submit a transcription or caption sample, which will then be reviewed to make sure that it meets the customer quality expectations. And if you are approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. So yeah, as you can see, Rev actually has a lot of testimonials. Someone made $70 within their first week, which is great, just from typing, which is so simple, so easy. Yeah, and you can also do this part-time, just like this woman who works as a legal secretary, and you get paid every week. So your payments are pretty much on time. So yeah, if you guys love Rev, you are from the right country, then yeah, just make sure that you click apply. Like I said, I think the countries are South Africa, America, places in Europe as well.
Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this and you guys have learned something within this video. If you guys do want to take this journey to the next step, then you guys are going to want to click the first link in the link down below, where I show you guys the best way to get started with making money online as a beginner today. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.